Good morning from a rather chilly Trot HQ. First one of the day, Honda Shadow 1100. This is a returning client in for one of our Trot Full Monty winter protection packages. As you can see, it's already starting to corrode a bit here and there, so we're going to give this a good old clean up, degrease, decontaminate, and we will get a fresh coating of the XCP clear coat winter protection. Put a little extra on all these banjo bolts, little bits and pieces which I know need that extra care. We'll do a single stage polish on this bodywork, get it looking like it should. It looks like he's had a recent new exhaust put on there, so we'll polish that up and get it freshly prepared for the winter ahead. Get all this old gunky chain lube off, get it all lubed back up, the usual bits and pieces. So give me a couple hours, get this thing looking like it should. There you go, just over 2 hours. This Honda 1100 Shadow has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This has had one of our legendary Full Monty valets with the XCP corrosion protection. We have done a full works package on this when it was new, which had the full ceramic coating. So all the wheels and engine were all good. We just touched up a few other bits and pieces with the extra XCP orange, like the banjo bolts, anything that I know needs that extra corrosion protection. All the shock springs, we put a little brushing of it on there, on your back caliper of banjo bolts. I did do a single stage machine polish on it just to freshen it up a bit. We topped up all the plastics, have been dressed with the Ultimax Trim-X, which is a ceramic coating for all these plastics. Make sure they stay nice and don't get any faded, and keeps all the dirt off. We did, like I said, a single stage polish on the tank, just topped it up with a bit of Ultimax Signature Quartz ceramic. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. This thing is now fully protected for the winter ahead. All the chains been sorted out, degreased all the old gritty chain lube off of there, blow dried it, re-lubed it back up. I did miss the front of the engine with a bit of XCP orange. The rest of it, like I said, had been all fully ceramic when it was new. All done, just over 2 hours. Get yours booked in now. We are getting snowed under. Everybody wanting to get their bikes winterized. So give us a buzz, 07966 249 963.